So 7 million altogether, thereabouts, was invested in 12 Discovery Gateways across the Valleys Regional Park area. Discovery Gateways are places like this place where we are now, Bryngarw Country Park. So they're parks and nature reserves, mostly embedded within local communities across the valleys, and they're very accessible to local people, where people can come and have these positive, meaningful, inspiring experiences of the outdoors and of nature, as the Guardians we're doing here today in Bryngarw.
So I'm proud to work in the Valleys because I just really enjoy being part of the communities here that are involved in like a wide variety of projects. And I just think the green spaces here are amazing, and they're often quite overlooked. You know, you've got your bigger cities, Cardiff and Swansea, but actually the Valleys have so much to offer. And once you find one place, you can just find a few more places, and you realise there's so many places to go and have a look, whether it's, you know, sort of country parks or little forest trails, or even just going for walks around sort of urban areas. You know, walking around Merthyr, you can find some amazing places to go and see.
I was awarded £10,000 from the Empty Homes grant, which was huge help for myself. In that £10,000, I was able to get a new kitchen, tile the floor in the kitchen and in the porch. I was able to get 2 brand new doors upstairs and fitted. The whole stairway case was fitted as well, but also the biggest help was I was able to plaster the outside of my house, the whole of my house, material and labour, which was to help prevent me from getting any damp in my house.
After successfully winning, this March we secured £75,000 investment from the Investors Syndicate, match funded by Development Bank of Wales. So now we have a board of 7 of Wales's top investors, which is really exciting. They've all got experience accelerating and exiting businesses. So now we're a really fortunate position where they've come on board. They're going to help us open doors and give us expertise and guidance, which is amazing.
Mountains and stunning landscapes surrounding our many towns. Myths and magical stories to tell from then and now.
So, yma yng Nghymru mae nifer fawr o bobl, da ni sy'n wedi bod yn llwyddiannus yn y bywydau, nhw wedi wneud penderfyniadau am beth i wneud yn gwaith ac gyda'r dyfodol o da nhw. So, y cynllun alumni yw cyfle i roi hwnna nôl i bobl ifanc heddi. Bobl sy'n jyst yn ddechrau am y daith. Bobl sy'n meddwl am y posibiliadau sydd da nhw. Dyna beth mae'r raglen alumni yn wneud. Mae'n dod y 2 ochr dy gilydd. Dwi'n siŵr bydd y raglen yn un llwyddiannus dros ben yma yng Nghymru.
Mae'r Big Box Bwyd yn siop sydd yn defnyddio gwastraff bwyd o Fairshire, ble mae teuluoedd o'r ysgol ac y gymuned yn gallu prynu bwyd iachus a talu beth mae nhw eisiau. Bydd £1,100 o'r Llywodraeth yn mynd i helpu'r cymuned o'r cynnwyd, y plant, y holl cymuned i tyfu gyda'n gilydd. Mae'r plant yn mynd i gael access i byw y breiddiwyd, i mynd am popeth maen nhw moyn yn eu bywyd. Zero hunger, zero poverty bydd e'n mynd. Bydd e'n experience hyfryd I pawb yn y cymuned.
Over the last 5 years, the Valleys Task Force has made a real difference, but there is so much more to do. And that lies with all of us. The future of our communities lies within our communities, and together we can make things better. Things don't have to be this way, and we can do it if we work with one another. Diolch yn fawr iawn.